Ever wondered what customer loyalty really means in business? Well, let's delve into this concept together. Customer loyalty is like a long-lasting relationship, where your customers choose your brand over and over again, regardless of the alternatives available. It's not just about repeat purchases. It's about a connection, a bond that's been built over time. This loyalty doesn't occur overnight. It's the result of consistent positive experiences, of exceeding expectations, and of making customers feel valued and appreciated. And it's not just about customers sticking with your brand when things are smooth sailing. It's about them standing by your side even when the waters get a little choppy. Think about it. We've all been there, haven't we? When our favorite coffee shop messes up our order, but we don't switch to a different place. Why? Because we're loyal and we understand that mistakes happen. Now, why should businesses care about customer loyalty? Well, it's simple. Loyal customers are the backbone of any successful business. They provide a steady stream of revenue and they often become brand ambassadors. What does that mean? It means they love your brand so much that they can't help but spread the word about it. They tell their friends, their family, their colleagues about how great your brand is. And that, my friends, is the best kind of marketing there is. It's authentic, it's credible, and best of all, it's free. Moreover, loyal customers tend to spend more. They trust your brand, they know the quality of your products or services, and they're willing to invest in them. This not only increases your sales, but also boosts your profitability. So to sum it all up, customer loyalty is a powerful tool in business. It's a reflection of the strong relationship you've built with your customers, and it can lead to numerous benefits, from free marketing to higher sales. Remember, loyal customers are not just repeat buyers. They are advocates of your brand. Do you know how much more expensive it is to acquire a new customer than to retain an existing one? It's a question that might surprise you with its answer. According to research by Harvard Business Review, it's anywhere from 5 to 25 times more expensive to gain a new customer than to keep an existing one. Yes, you heard it right. That's a significant difference, isn't it? But why is this the case? Well, consider the costs associated with marketing and advertising campaigns, sales efforts, and all the resources that go into attracting new customers. It adds up quickly, doesn't it? Now let's turn our attention to customer retention. When we talk about customer retention, we're essentially discussing the strategies and actions companies take to reduce customer defections. It's about making sure your customers stick around, continue to buy from you, and hopefully become advocates for your brand. And here's an interesting tidbit. A mere 5% increase in customer retention can lead to an increase in profits by 25 to 95%. That's quite a range, but even at the lower end, it's a substantial increase. Let's pause and think about that for a moment. Your existing customers aren't just people who buy your products or use your services. There's so much more than that. They're the ones who are more likely to try your new products, spend more, and recommend your brand to others. In essence, they're your brand's ambassadors. They contribute significantly to your business's profitability and growth. After all, happy customers mean a thriving business. When viewed from this perspective, the importance of customer retention becomes crystal clear. It's not just about keeping your customers happy. It's about building a sustainable business model that leverages the power of customer loyalty. So the next time you're planning your business strategy, remember this. Acquiring new customers is important, but keeping your existing ones is crucial. After all, they are the backbone of your business's sustainability and success. Your existing customers are your gold mine. Treat them well. Before we delve into the specific strategies for building customer loyalty, let's take a moment to understand the critical role of customer feedback in this process. Every business, big or small, thrives on the insights provided by its customers. Whether it's praise for a job well done or constructive criticism pointing out areas for improvement, customer feedback is invaluable. But why is this so? Well, first and foremost, customer feedback provides you with a clear understanding of what you're doing right and where you're going wrong. It's an honest assessment of your products or services from the people that matter the most, your customers. By listening to their feedback, you can make informed decisions about what needs to be improved, what needs to be changed, and what needs to be maintained. Secondly, customer feedback is a powerful tool for driving innovation. It can spark ideas for new products, inspire improvements to existing ones, and even guide your overall business strategy. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, Responding to customer feedback fosters a sense of community and engagement. It shows your customers that you value their opinions and are committed to providing them with the best possible experience. This, in turn, can boost customer loyalty and retention. So, how do you gather customer feedback? There are several ways to do this, from simple methods like surveys and feedback forms to more complex strategies like customer interviews and focus groups. The key is to make it easy and convenient for your customers to share their thoughts and opinions. And remember, once you've gathered this feedback, it's essential to act on it. After all, what's the point of asking for feedback if you're not going to use it to improve? So, before we move on to the specific strategies for building customer loyalty, let's take a moment to reflect on the importance of customer feedback. It's not just a tool for improvement, it's a pathway to growth and success. And speaking of growth and success, if you're interested in mastering YouTube and unlocking its potential for monetization, don't forget to check out the course details listed below this video. It's a fantastic resource that can help you take your YouTube game to the next level. Now that we understand the importance of customer loyalty, how do we build it? Let's delve into this. One of the primary ways to build customer loyalty is by providing exceptional customer service. This goes beyond merely addressing customer concerns. It's about anticipating their needs, resolving their issues promptly, and always maintaining a positive and respectful attitude. Remember, it's the little things that make a big difference. Next is offering personalized experiences. Today's customers crave personalization. They want to feel special, not like they're just another number. Personalization could be as simple as sending a personalized email or as complex as tailoring your products or services to meet each customer's unique needs. It's all about understanding your customers and making them feel valued. Another crucial strategy is building a strong brand identity. Your brand is more than just your logo or slogan. It's the sum total of your customers' perceptions and experiences with your business. A strong brand identity differentiates you from your competitors and gives customers a reason to stay loyal. Make sure your brand values align with those of your customers and consistently deliver on your brand promises. Finally, consider implementing a loyalty program. Loyalty programs are a proven way to encourage repeat business. They can take many forms, from point systems to tiered rewards. The best loyalty programs offer benefits that are valuable to the customer and reinforce positive behaviors like frequent purchases or referrals. Remember, building customer loyalty isn't about quick fixes or empty gestures. It's a long-term commitment to delivering value and exceeding customer expectations at every turn. It requires patience, dedication, and a genuine desire to serve your customers. Building customer loyalty is an investment that pays handsome returns. So let's commit to these strategies and see our businesses thrive. Before we dive into our next segment, let's take a moment to engage with each other. If you're enjoying today's video and finding our content valuable, we'd love for you to be part of our community. Press that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss a beat. We're committed to delivering top-notch content centered around making money online, building customer loyalty, and improving customer retention. We'd love for you to join us on this journey of growth and success. Remember, your engagement helps us create better content tailored to your needs, so don't hesitate to like, share, and comment. Let us know your thoughts, your experiences, or any topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Remember, we're in this together. Now let's move on to strategies for improving customer retention. Customer retention is equally important, but how do we improve it? It's not rocket science, but it does require a strategic approach. Let's delve into some tried and tested strategies that can help businesses improve customer retention. Firstly, it's crucial to engage with customers through various channels. We're talking about social media, emails, even good old-fashioned phone calls. This multi-channel engagement goes beyond just selling your product or service. It's about fostering a relationship, keeping your brand top of mind, and showing your customers that you care. Remember, communication is a two-way street. It's not just about broadcasting your messages, it's about listening too. Which brings us to our second strategy, collecting and acting on customer feedback. Constructive criticism can be a goldmine for improving your business and retaining customers. Make it easy for customers to provide feedback and make sure you actually use their insights to improve. Customers appreciate being heard, and seeing their suggestions come to life can make them feel valued and more likely to stick around. Our third strategy is all about providing ongoing value through content and resources. This could be a blog with helpful tips, a resource hub, or even a podcast. By offering valuable content, you not only establish your brand as an authority in your field, but you also give customers a reason to keep coming back. It's about creating a mutually beneficial relationship where customers see the value in staying connected with your brand. Finally, consider offering incentives for repeat purchases. This could be a loyalty program that offers points for each purchase, special discounts for repeat customers, or exclusive access to new products. Incentives can encourage customers to keep choosing your brand over competitors. But remember, the incentive should be relevant and valuable to your customers. In conclusion, improving customer retention requires engagement, feedback, value, and incentives. It's about creating a positive customer experience that goes beyond the initial sale. Remember, retaining customers is not just about selling, it's about engaging and adding value. Let's look at some businesses that have nailed customer loyalty and retention. First up, we have the global coffee giant Starbucks. Their loyalty program, Starbucks Rewards, is a shining example of customer retention done right. They offer free drinks, birthday rewards, and the ability to order and pay through their app, making each visit a personalized experience. The result? A whopping over 25 million active members in the United States alone, as of the first quarter of 2024. Then there's Amazon, the world's largest online retailer. Amazon Prime, their subscription-based service, not only offers free shipping, but also access to streaming services, exclusive deals, and more. This strategy has led to an impressive retention rate, with estimates suggesting that 90% of Prime members renew their subscription each year. Let's not forget the tech Apple. Their strategy revolves around creating high-quality products and providing exceptional customer service. Apple's brand loyalty is so strong that customers continue to buy their products, despite often higher prices. This loyalty is reflected in their record-breaking sales year after year. Lastly, let's look at the disruptive mattress company Casper. They focused on customer experience, offering a 100-night trial and free returns on their mattresses. They also engaged with customers through various channels, answering queries and handling complaints promptly. This strategy paid off, with Casper becoming a market leader in a highly competitive industry. These companies, though diverse in their offerings, share a common thread. They've all prioritized customer loyalty and retention. They've understood that it's not just about making a sale, but about creating value for their customers. They've leveraged exceptional customer service, personalized experiences, strong brand identities, and innovative loyalty programs to keep their customers coming back. As these successful companies show, building customer loyalty retention is possible and profitable. Stick around and check out other videos on my channel for further valuable content focusing on making money online.